Hello and welcome back to Hubgrass Meditation. My name is Ashley and I am so excited to be back here with you as we have not meditated together in a while. Today we are doing a meditation that has a lot of benefit when it comes to anxiety and being in the moment. And today we're going to focus on one magical item at a time. And I'm so excited to get into it with you. When you're ready to begin, take a moment to find a comfortable position. It can be sitting, laying down, or however your body feels most supported. Allow yourself to gently settle in here. Now, there's no need to hold still. Feel free to move or adjust at any point. And when you feel ready, softly close your eyes. And if that's not available to you, you can lower your gaze or focus on the tip of your nose. We're going to start by bringing our attention to our breath. No need to change it just yet, just noticing it. Notice the inhale as it enters through your nose and the exhale as it leaves. Let your breath be your anchor today. If your mind feels busy, that's okay. We're not trying to stop your thoughts. We're just giving your attention somewhere else to land. Just focusing on that inhale and the exhale. Now we're going to begin to slightly deepen our breath. Inhaling slowly in through our nose and exhaling softly through your mouth. Again, inhale in through the nose and exhale out through the mouth. Noticing how each breath is slightly different and feeling your shoulders relax more and more with each breath. Again, in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Now we're going to bring our attention somewhere new. We're going to imagine ourselves standing on Main Street. It's a slower day. Not empty, but crowded. You can feel the energy around you. Families laughing, people seeing the castle for the first time. And you can just quietly hear the Dapper Dans singing at the front of Main Street. The air feels light. You have so much room to breathe. You're not rushed. You're just here. And as we're standing here on Main Street, you notice balloons nearby. Specifically, Mickey-shaped balloons floating freely in the wind. They sway softly with the light breeze, rising and falling, drifting side to side. It's hard not to smile when you think of a Mickey balloon. And there are so many of them. Different colors, different movements. You see so many different Mickey balloons. And at first you notice them all. No need to focus on just one yet. You're just seeing the different colors there. And then you see the one. The balloon in your favorite color. That special balloon that immediately stands out to you. Take a moment to really focus in on this one specific balloon. shape, the color, the way the plastic just glints in the beautiful sunlight. And we're going to just gently rest our attention here on this one balloon. Notice how it sways, never being perfectly still. But there's something calming about it, something easy to focus on. And you notice all the other balloons, other colors drifting in and out of your awareness, just like thoughts, but you don't need to follow them. We're focusing on your balloon. It's unique from the rest of them. And if you notice your attention begins to shift away from this balloon and paying attention to the other balloons around it, that's okay. Just guide yourself back to your balloon, back to its color, back to the way it sways in the wind, back to its movement. And let this be your rhythm, your focus. We're focusing on the one balloon, seeing the others around it, and when our attention drifts, bringing it back to the moment, bringing it back to your balloon. And you notice as you focus on this balloon, your breathing gets deeper. You feel at ease being in your favorite place, seeing your special balloon. And let your breath and your balloon move together. Steady, soft, present. And every time your attention drifts to the other balloons or something else around you, and every time you bring your attention back to your balloon, you're strengthening that ability. The goal of meditation is not to stay perfectly focused or to empty our brain of all thoughts. It's to return to this moment, to your breath, and to your balloon. Taking a few more moments here, standing on Main Street, feeling the sun on your face, hearing the magical sounds of Main Street, USA, breathing and watching your balloon. Nowhere to be, nothing to do, but enjoy this magical moment. Slowly begin to widen your awareness, noticing the space around you again. Any sounds you can hear, anything you can touch or feel, but staying with your breath. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. begin to bring small movements back into your body, wiggling your fingers, your toes, taking in the deepest breath you've taken all day. Holding at the top and breathing out through the mouth. And when you feel ready, you can gently open your eyes and come back to the present moment. And as you move back into your day, don't forget to take a little vitamin J with you, your daily dose of joy, exactly as you are.